this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today we'll take a look at a double bottom trade setup. A double bottom trade setup is when price comes and tests a support level twice and fails to break through a support level. Again, in this case, we're looking for important support and resistance levels because those are the ones that will provide us with high probability trade setup. Once we see a double bottom trade setup, we will then take a long trade because now we expect the price to go up. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a double bottom trade setup looks like and how to trade this setup profitably. Here we are looking at a double bottom trade setup. This is EuroCAD 1 hour chart. A double bottom trade setup is when price comes into a support level and we see that it rejects the level twice. So in this case, price comes into our support level here, tries to break through that, but is not successful, goes up, tests that level once again, and then pushes up from there as well. So that's our double bottom trade setup. So here what we're looking for is a good reversal signal to see our double bottom trade setup. And we see that we have a nice bullish engulfing candle here. So now we have confluence. We have a support resistance line. We have our first rejection level, and then we get our second rejection level. So this makes our double bottom trade setup, and now we can take a trade. After the close of this green candle here, the bullish engulfing candle, we will enter our trade long, and our stop can go on the other side of this pin here. We just want to make sure that we give the trade enough room to breathe. So we enter our trade long, and then we stay with the trade as the price is going higher. And then we see that when it comes into this R3 pivot point level here, price starts to consolidate here. So twice we have the big red candle. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade after the close of this red candle here, because the chances are price can either pull back or it can reverse directions. So it's best to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 75 pips in the trade. So just to recap here, this is our double bottom trade setup. A double bottom trade setup is when price comes into a support level and then rejects that level twice. In this case, price comes here, pushes off of this level, comes into the same level again, and we get this bullish engulfing candle close. So that makes our double bottom. Now we can take the trade long after the close of this candle. Our stop goes on the other side here of the pin, and we stay with the trade as price is moving higher. Then we see that price comes into our resistance level here, and twice it rejects that level. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade after the close of this red candle here. From entry to exit, here we get 75 pips in our trade. So our profit is 75 pips or $750 if trading one standard lot. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to get my 3 most profitable trade setup, I invite you to click the link below so you can receive my ebook. That's it for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below so that you can get other trade videos as well. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.